This is a pan-seared Cajun cod with roasted fingerling potatoes, cherry tomatoes, and avocado puree.
What's going to be the first step?
The first step is going to be making sure your potatoes are prepped and cut evenly. So you want to get thinly sliced potatoes on the bias. The reason for this is for even cooking. I'm looking for the shape, this shape, like almost like this. The next step is making the veg medley. So I got my onion. Make sure you take off the skin. And you want thin slices. Next, I'm gonna slice my cherry tomatoes. You're gonna slice them in half. So I'm gonna cut my tomatoes, like one slice. Smooth. Voila. This step I'm gonna actually dry the cod with a paper towel. If it's wet, the water will dilute the seasoning and it will take away from the flavor profile. We'll make sure it's dry. All right, nice and dry. Okay, the next step is we're gonna start by seasoning our fish. So what I'm gonna do, then I'm gonna add a little bit of Creole seasoning. Each one, both sides. For cooking these vegetables, we're gonna make sure the pan is medium heat. Not too much oil, just enough to coat the pan. I'm gonna wait for it to sizzle. I'm gonna start by sauteing my potatoes. Onions. Toss these onions. Spread it a little bit more. All right. All right. Finished, brother. Next step is sauteing. We're gonna bring the temperature up to 300 degrees or until it starts sizzling the oil. And when you saute, you don't add too much oil. You're looking for the song right there. Nice, and you want to cook this up for about 7 to 8 minutes. You don't want it overdone because you don't want it to dry. Nice texture, nice moisture and flavor. So you're looking for a color like this. Beautiful color. That's what you want from that. And you see this, the cod is not sticking to the pan because that's the amount of oil. The other reason is because I heated the pan to medium heat before I put the fish in. The next step is placing the avocado puree on the bottom. About 2 scoops. Swirl it around. You add your roasted pepper aioli. Just need a little bit. Yeah. You add your veggies. Next, I put the fish on top. Add the microgreens, just for garnish. It goes right on top. Tastes great, looks great. And when you eat it, you feel great.